Everybody, so today I want to do a review video on a rose that is also my favorite in my garden. It's called Meine Rose. Look at this rose. Look at how deep cut of this bloom with a really beautiful pink in the middle. It really reminds me a lot of the Eden rose, basically. This rose, for me, when it first opened, it looked just like Eden. You can see the resemblance of it. It is a shrub, actually, instead of climber like Eden. And for me, it actually bloom more and much healthier than Eden. So I am actually really happy to grow this as a replacement for Eden, because I do like Eden. I think they are really beautiful when they bloom. But Eden just too unhealthy in my garden. I just cannot really grow that rose. It is always black spot for me. And look at how healthy and how vigorous and how well branching is this shrub. It is just amazing. And the bloom actually lasts pretty long as well. I think it's beautiful and it smells very, very, very good. It has a very beautiful, strong tea rose fragrance to it. It's very sweet in both the bloom and the fragrance, and you can see the bud just everywhere. It just basically bloom from top to bottom, left to right, really, even at the back as well. Look at that. And it still continue to send out flower buds for me. You can see that. Look at how well it is branching out at the top with the flower bud. And it support the bloom pretty well, even though the bloom is really big. Look at how big is the bloom. It's a very deep cup, okay? Very beautiful glossy leaf. I do not have much of a problem at all, even during summertime. It actually also blooms very well during summertime. So I'm pretty glad that I put it actually kind of like a prime location. In terms of toneliness, it has tone. Not too bad in my opinion. It's really not too bad. I just love how well it branch out. Look at that. It's just a very beautiful shrub. Right now it's about, I would say, 4 feet times 2 feet wide, I would say, or 2.5 feet wide. So it's a really good size shrub that you can really fit easily in any space, while and still being vigorous, and while being still very good at repeat blooming. Look at that flower bud. I just love it when it first open up this bloom. It's just beautiful. It's just so gorgeous. Look at the color. You can't beat that, really. And when it fully open, it's still beautiful. So I think it's a Cortez rose. I grow it already for almost 2 years. Last year was the second year. So it has been performed consistently really well when I grow it. It really performed very fast. So it performed right away at the first year for me, really. I highly recommend anybody to get it. I know it's not that easy to get. This is grafted on multiflora rootstock. I got it when Paradine Rose is still listing it. I'm not sure if there's any way to get this rose right now. Honestly, I really do not know. So I'm kind of glad that I bought it when they still sell it. If you are looking for a replacement of Eden, this is totally something that I will recommend. This is Meine Rose from Cortez. And I will talk to you all next time. Bye.